High demand in IT, unorganized or disconnected workflows, and inefficient collaboration in the oil and gas industry means more stress and less time for progress and innovation. But it doesn't have to. With a low-code development platform like TIBCO Cloud Live Apps, business developers are able to turn their ideas into fully functional, enterprise-scale applications in just minutes. Because Live Apps was created with the business user in mind, creating your application is super fast, simple, and intuitive. For oil and gas, this means real-time insights and actions at any scale and improved decision support for technicians and engineers while on the go. With Live Apps, you can extend your field service systems, increase technician productivity, and drive seamless collaboration for quick resolution. At TIBCO, we fuel your digital transformation by enabling you with the right tools for smarter decisions and faster actions. If you want to watch us build a field technician app, sign up for the demo. Get started with Live Apps today.